Hey guys, Ashley here, and we are here with March's Ipsy. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, yeah, where you been? You're missing out, especially if you're a beauty enthusiast. Anyway, Ipsy is a monthly beauty box. This is the box for their monthly Glam Bag Plus, which is is it $25 anymore? It's up there. You do get to choose one of the items, but it does come with 5 full-size beauty items. And then there is also the Ipsy Glam Bag, which comes in a smaller pink package. I have both of those. We're going to unbox them today. This may be my last box ever. They are ending the program where they send bags out to influencers. So I really don't need beauty products, so I'm not going to be buying anymore right now. So unless I need them, you know, you never know, right? But anyway, this month is March 2023, and it's a celebration of women's empowerment. So there you go. What's inside? Oh, I love that bag though, right? Oh my gosh. Cheers to living your best life. All right, let's live our best lives. This is our glam bag. So this is $12 a month. I kind of love this bag. I think that's really cool. The actual bag for the Glam Bag Plus is this drawstring one, and it does have that same cameo on it, which is really pretty. Don't ask me who it is because I don't know. Oh, yay! All right, one of my favorite brands. This is Ren's Clean Skincare. This is their Ever Calm Barrier Support Elixir. I don't know if I've used this product. Why is it open? I don't like that. But their products are all natural. Yes, I've used this product. It is a very nice, if you need extra moisturizing, or if you're going out, like I run, so if you're going out in the should I stop and spare you guys this? If you're going out in the elements, this is a great one to use. I don't know what the oils they use in this are. I don't remember anymore. Camellia seed oil, inky oil, I don't know, what is that? Meadowfoam seed oil. Everything they make is like made with recycled products and things like that, so that's really cool. So it looks like all of our plus items are in this box, and then everything for the Glam Bag Original are in the back. All right, here we have, this is from Lavido, Inspired by Nature, Musk and Coconut Aromatic Body Lotion. There is some letters in that appears to be Arabic. Hydrate, nourish, protect for all skin types. I don't use a lot of body lotion, especially when I see the word musk. I don't know. I'll try it out and let you guys know. All right, moving along. What's next? This is, ooh, First Aid Beauty. This is their mineral sunscreen in SPF 30. So is this a face sunscreen? Or I'm guessing it is. Shake well, apply liberally. Don't say. I'm guessing because this is a skincare brand, you would put this on your face, but it doesn't say specifically. No white cast though. That's interesting. I wonder if that's a chemical. All right, then we have the Wander Beauty Sun Kissed Getaway Eye and Face Palette. So we have a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight, as well as 4 very neutral eyeshadow shades, 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. It's nice. Is it nice? Yes. Is it kind of a yawn product? Also true. All right, final item in this box is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. The last Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick I received in a box like this, the color was just not for me. It does not say Pasadena, so let's take a look. This is actually quite beautiful. I want to say these colors are perfect for spring. They're like muted lavenders. I think they're so nice. They're not too bright for like your lip, but they give you just a nice splash of color, so I like that actually. All right, let's see what's in our glam bag. Very excited. All right, doing this one. Ooh, look, the cameos on the zipper pull. I think that's so neat. All right, so first up is an item from Kinship. This is their Bright Wave Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. A lot of eye creams have hyaluronic acid in them, so can't use them. Oh, little, see, there's a lot of letters here. I'll have to check this after. But my guess is, like, I had something like 30 eye creams in my closet, and I went through all of them, and there were literally none that didn't have, well, actually, I think there was one didn't have hyaluronic acid, so I'm not getting my hopes up. All right, here we have, this is from Glow on Fifth Beauty. This is their Perfect Detoxifying Mud Mask. These are nice. I don't use a lot of these, but now my daughter, who's 13, she gets acne. This kind of stuff, these mud masks, she loves, so I put them aside for her, especially these little ones, because she's just wasteful, and you know. All right, then we have, this is from the Tarte company, Sugar Rush. This is the Lash Treat. This is a volumizing mascara. This is obviously a sample size. It looks cute. I don't know if I'm gonna open this right this second, because like I said, I have so many mascaras floating around. I just don't need to open it right now. All right, getting down to the nitty gritty here. Then we have the Hey Honey Make a Splash Intense Hydrating Aqua Serum. These, anytime it says Aqua, Serum, Gel, Hydrator, those sorts of products tend to have hyaluronic acid. So before I use this, I have to check this. But Hey Honey makes one of my absolute favorite lip balms. It is just heavenly. I just love it. I don't think it's for everyone, because it does have like a perfumey scent to it. Like, but I just love it. It is so nourishing. It's so thick, and like, just love it. So I like their products, but I'll have to check the ingredients. All right, final thing, final is a Pear Nova. This is the Rocket Ship Lunar Lip Style. What the hell is that? It's just a pretty lip liner, and it does actually match that lipstick, which is kind of cool. So in our Ipsy Glam bag, we got the lip liner, the mascara, this hydrator, the mud mask, and the eye cream. And then in our Glam Bag Plus, we got the sunscreen, the lotion, the lipstick, the Ren hydrator, and the little Wander palette. So it's a really nice month from them. I will link to them down in the description box, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.